Here we are on the third Wednesday night session of the 36-week season. After a very successful session on Monday, I've made more progress toward being on the positive side of most of my end-of-season goals. I still need to work on increasing both my spare percentage goals, however. Coming into tonight, I'm above both of my average and strike percentage goals with a combined league average of .207 and a strike percentage of 59%. But I'm below my single pin and non-split spare average goals by 5 and 8%. With the exception of the split in the sixth frame, I feel like I did okay during game one. I made all of my single pin spares, and I was able to string together some strikes toward the end of the game. I was doing good in game 2 up until I severely pulled the ball to the left in the 8th frame. That left me with a difficult spare that I ended up missing. I was having issues with the ball clearing my thumb all night, which led to me pulling a few shots to the left of target throughout the night. Then the missed spare in the second rack of the 10th frame further ruined what started out as a good game. I thought I was going to make the 10-pin that I ended up nearly missing in the 3rd frame of game 3. That was the only single pin spare I missed this session though. Then, I left myself a not-so-easy spare in the 4th frame that I ended up missing. Thankfully, I had enough sets of consecutive strikes to somewhat save game 3 from being a bad game. Overall, I think I had an okay night. I did a much better job at making single pin spares than I did during the first few sessions of the season. If I can continue making single pin spares at the rate I did tonight, I should be on the positive side of that goal soon. That makes the non-split spare percentage the only goal that I'm still significantly behind on. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.